So what happens to Bitcoin's price after times of record low volatility? That's what we're going to talk about. Also, Genesis has been caught in a lie again. According to the Winklevoss twins, Barry Silbert and DCG is acting in bad faith. That's what we're talking about today in this video. If you guys are interested and if you find these updates helpful, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. We put out videos every single day. My name is Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. Don't you forget it. If you want to know even more what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies, you have to check out the CT Club. A link for that is down below in the video description. It's also the start of the month, so it's the best time to join. Just my 2 cents. 2 Satoshis, excuse me. So right now we're going to talk about Bitcoin's price. Volatility is record low. It is so boring. It's like when you see that meme and the guy is poking Bitcoin with a stick, he's like, do something. And here is what happens usually after times of record low volatility. It's primed to be volatile again, either upwards or downwards. So pay attention to what Bitcoin does next. Historically, if Bitcoin does a pump here, that's going to be the new trend. If it takes another dump, that also could be the new trend. And don't fight the trend. That's what the traders are saying these days. But my friend, if you dollar cost average and Bitcoin does drop in price here, you have to see it as a discount. It is on sale. You're getting Bitcoin cheaper. If you know the long-term aspect, the disruptive technology that Bitcoin represents, and how much of a freedom tool and the freedom for you to actually secure your wealth autonomously is a beautiful thing. You can send it to anyone around the world for whatever reason you want, whenever you want, even on New Year's Eve, even on Christmas Day, and you can use the decentralized network. So that's why we're dollar cost averaging with a long-term perspective. Next up, Juno, which also used to be the name of my dog, may she rest in peace, is also the name of a crypto bank which has partnered with Wire, W-Y-R-E. And Wire is a payment processor basically that is going out of business, and Juno is warning their customers. Not only are they warning them to self-custody, they're making it easier for them to do it quicker by raising their withdrawal limits. So that's a really good example of how it is a custody platform, Juno is, but they are looking out for their users. They're warning them to take self-custody just in case this is true with Wire. Furthermore, any platform that you have coins stored on that has a partnership with Wire that could be affected by this, make sure you get them off. I know Ledger Live has partnered with Wire as a way to purchase cryptocurrencies, but that is separate because your Ledger hardware wallet is self-custody, just so you know. Lastly, and the big news today is talking about Genesis. They've come out with a new letter for their clients saying basically, we need more time. We don't have a solution yet, but we believe that we will if we just have more time. And why do I think this is also possibly a lie? Number one, this is classic also what Sam Bankman-Fried said. He said if he had 8 more days, he could have saved FTX. Also, don't forget that Genesis claimed that they had 0 exposure to FTX. And yet now we learned that they had $175 million stuck on their trading account on FTX. 175 million, is that nothing to them? No, that's a big chunk, and it's probably attributing to their lack of liquidity, which is resulting in users of Gemini Earn program, $900 million is not being returned to them. It's getting ugly. It's why, this tactic of them saying we need more time is the reason why the Winklevoss twins are saying that Barry Silbert and his companies, as in Genesis, are acting in bad faith. So it is getting nasty between these two. And if Bitcoin does take a dip, it might be because Genesis comes out and either declares bankruptcy or it's just a bigger mess that we don't know about yet because they are being very tight-lipped. There's more unfortunate news. Okay, there's more news coming about Coinbase, which sounds good, but really it's going to be a negative for the users, and also some unfortunate news for Celsius users. If you guys want to know what that is all about, be sure to check out the video coming out tomorrow. That's what we're going to be talking about. So make sure you hit subscribe because that video is coming out. Don't want you to miss it. Hit like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Just